In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI lip sync in Kling AI. We'll turn a regular video into a polished talking clip with perfectly synced audio using Kling's built-in lip sync feature. Open Kling AI in your browser, sign in, and make sure your subscription is active because lip sync is available on paid plans. Once you're in, head to the Assets section. This is your media library and the starting point for everything we'll do today. Browse your assets and choose a video you want to sync. For the best results, pick a clip where the subject's face is visible and reasonably well lit, with a clear view of the mouth. Click the video to open it. On the video page, look for the lip sync option and select it to enter the lip syncing workspace. Here you can decide how you want to supply the voice. If you want Kling to generate the narration for you, choose text to speech. If you already recorded voiceover on your computer, choose the upload local dubbing option instead. Clean, high-quality audio without background noise will give you the most accurate sync. If you're going with text to speech, click Add Text to Speech to bring up the text panel. Type your script into the text field. Punctuation matters here. Commas, periods, and paragraph breaks help the system pace the delivery and improve how well the mouth movements align. If you have numbers, consider spelling them out for clarity and keep sentences concise to match natural speaking rhythms. Next, open the Voices section. Browse and select a voice that fits your character and context. Think about age, tone, and style so it matches the person on screen. After you've picked a voice, adjust the speech rate. Slowing it down slightly can help match a calm speaker, while a faster rate can suit an energetic delivery. Aim to align the cadence with the on-screen performer's natural movement. Then, choose an emotion setting. This shapes the delivery, neutral for a straightforward explainer or a more expressive tone for marketing and storytelling. You can mix these settings to fine-tune the vibe. If anything feels off, it's easy to revisit your text, switch voices, or nudge the rate before finalizing. When everything looks good, click Add Speech. Kling will process the clip and apply the lip sync based on your text and settings. Once it finishes, your selected video will have clean, synced narration that matches the speaker's mouth movements. And that's it. You've used Kling AI's lip sync to transform your clip into a professional, voice-driven video with just a few clear steps.